Hi beautiful people, and welcome back again to my channel. Here is another mind-blowing video on how to create and design a YouTube banner using your Android phone. Having a banner on your channel makes it look more professional and even attracts subscribers to your channel. To get started, let's head over to Canva. Type YouTube banner on the search bar and click on the option with the YouTube recommended size of 2560 by 1440 pixel. Click on the plus icon. You will see a lot of already made templates. Select the one that has this kind of design pattern so that it can display correctly on any device. So let me click on this one. So to add your channel name to your banner, you click on this text box and write the name of your channel. But first, I'm going to delete any text I don't need on my banner. So I will click on this and delete them. I don't need an image on my banner for this tutorial. I will now write my channel's name. Please, this channel's name is just for tutorial purpose. Adjust the text size, color, and even the font to suit your taste. Click on elements and add stickers or any shape to your banner. Please, all your write-ups should be within the center part or safe zone of the banner because YouTube displays your banner differently across devices. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on download. Choose PNG or JPG format for best quality. Now log into your YouTube channel. Click on the profile icon. Then click on your channel name. Click on this pencil icon. Click again on this camera icon. Next, click choose from your photo. Click on the banner you downloaded and click on save. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.